Hey everyone, welcome to my review of Stan Store. Stan is a link in bio landing page that not only allows you to promote information and your social media accounts, it also allows you to sell products directly from the landing page. Included inside of Stan, you get a mobile optimized link in bio store. You also get automated calendar invites and bookings. So if you are a coach or a consultant, then you can book your clients directly through Stan Store. It also has a built-in email list and newsletter builder, so you can send regular emails as well as collect emails inside of Stan. Some of the biggest TikTok coaches on TikTok are using Stan in their bio, such as Coach Stone, who has 249,000 followers, Socially Kel, who has 368,000 followers, and 𝗧𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧, who has 251,000 followers. If we take a look at the different Stan stores for these creators, you can see that they're all promoting their own digital products using Stan. Stone promotes his Grow Your Audience Now course. He also has a free TikTok growth guide that if you click on it, it's going to open up this page right here. And if you put your name and your email, then he's actually going to be able to grow an email list through using Stan. If we take a look at Socially Kel, you can see that she promotes her social media accounts right here. And then she has a financial services application as well as a TikTok creator starter pack that she sells directly through Stan Store. And finally, 𝗧𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗧, she promotes her TikTok audit inside of her Stan Store, as well as a TikTok strategy session. Now, what I really appreciate with Stan Store is that when somebody from your audience clicks on your link and opens it, TikTok is not going to flag that link. So as you can see here, I'm going to open up another link on TikTok, and when I click on it, TikTok gives me this warning that says you're about to open up a link to an external website, and then you have to click on open anyway to go to that website. Now with Stan Store, if I click on the link, it's going to open it right up, and it's not going to flag that and make me click on that extra step. And if you want to monetize your TikTok account, then you have to have a link in bio, especially one that TikTok doesn't flag and allows you to open up instantaneously. Another cool thing about Stan Store is you get a 14-day free trial to try out the software and the link in bio before you actually make a purchase. To access that 14-day free trial, all you have to do is just click on the sign up button, put in your information, so choose a username, put in your name, email, phone number, and password, and then click on start your 14-day free trial. Stan has two different payment plans. You have the creator mode and you have the creator pro mode. If you want to stick with the cheaper creator mode, you get the mobile optimized site, the calendar bookings, the digital downloads, the store analytics, and integrations with all of your other softwares. But if you want to go with the pro, then you have a course builder, advanced pricing, order bumps and upsells, a funnel builder, and you can generate affiliate links for your courses. That's going to allow you to replace everything, including your email marketing software and your course building software, if you choose to go with the Creator Pro version. After you've signed up for your free trial, just go ahead and hit Let's Set Up Your Store. Then you can choose your content niche that you're going to be publishing content in, and Stan will automatically create an account around that. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and go with finance and real estate. Now we are greeted with the Stan dashboard, which takes you step by step through launching your store. So first off, Stan wants you to add a profile picture. So after you do that, you hit confirm, and then you can add your social links. After you add your social links, just click on save, and then you can add direct deposit for your bank for Stan to send you all of the money that you earn by selling digital products online. They also have a 0% transaction fee, which means you keep 100% of the money that you make through Stan. And then the final step is to create your product. And Stan actually gives you product ideas to go live with today. So you have a free ebook that you can create as a lead magnet on Stan, and then you have financial coaching, and then you have an Ask Me Anything video request. So let's go ahead and check out the free ebook option inside of Stan. First off, you have the option to create your own square image that's going to be selling your product, and a button title, so you could leave that as download, or you could say something like get my free ebook here. Then once you're done customizing your ebook, you can go down here and upload the PDF file that people will get immediately after putting in their name, email, and phone number into Stan. Okay, now let's go ahead and design and create our ebook step by step inside of Stan. First things first, let's head over to Canva and create our image for our ebook. So go ahead and just create a new design inside of Canva. And we want to do a custom size because we want to make this a square. So let's do 500 pixels by 500 pixels. And then inside of the templates on Canva, we can just type in course, and we can find all these different course images templates that we can use for our ebook's main image. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one right here, drag it on over, and we'll just call this free ebook. And let's go ahead and remove this picture here, and we'll add an image of some money. Drag that one over here like so, and then we'll rotate this. Perfect. And then we want to change our subtitle to something along the lines of learn the top 5 side hustles. And now we can change these 4 bullet points into something that makes sense with our ebook. Okay, for this example, I just did 4 different prompts. So I said make money fast, and then I said best apps for money, learn social media, and monetize your audience. So those are the 4 different steps that are going to be covered inside of this free ebook. And now we can go ahead and download this image and upload it into Stan. And Stan will automatically update the image related to your ebook. Now let's go ahead and change the heading. We're going to say top 5 best side hustles. And then for our subheading, I'm going to say something along the lines of learn the top 5 best side hustles step by step. And then I want to change my button title to get it for free. And then we want to go ahead and disable the phone number because we don't need a phone number for our free ebook. Now I already had a PDF all ready to go to upload into Stan. It was just a PDF from my Twitter affiliate masterclass course, and I uploaded that right down below by hitting the upload button. Now we can hit publish and our ebook will be live. And another cool thing that we can do with our ebook is we can go to the advanced options tab, and there's a couple of different things. We can change up our confirmation email, so we can change up the subject name here so we can keep your product name download from, but then we want to change this instead of my username, we want this to be from David. And then Stan already customizes the body of the email saying, hi customer name, here's your download for product files, and then my name. So we're going to leave that just the way it is. You can also go down to the bottom and integrate this email with MailChimp. And MailChimp has a $0 free plan, so you can send up to 2,500 monthly emails, and you can have up to 500 contacts for absolutely free, allowing you to create a free email list up to 500 people. Now, once you are done integrating your free ebook, you can change the entire design of your store just by going to Edit Design. This gives you 4 different designs that you can choose from for your store. So I have the Stan Classic, we have the Moderno, which looks like this. It'll change everything, including the text and the layout of your store. You also have the 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗥 here, which is based on Socially 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗥. She is a TikTok coach that has over 300,000 followers on TikTok, and she has her own design here inside of Stan. Then you also have the 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦, which looks like this. This is another TikTok coach on TikTok, and this design is based around her store. Then you can go in and change the colors. So if I wanted my download button to be more of a green, I could click on that, or I could even enter in a specific color into this box here. Once I'm done, I can hit save. Stan is used and trusted by many of the top coaches on TikTok. If you're looking for a link in bio that allows you to sell digital products directly from your bio, as well as collect emails and run coaching calls, then I highly recommend Stan as your option for your TikTok link in bio. Stan also gives you an income section that you can look at all of your analytics as well as how many people are purchasing, including their details. Stan also has a referral program, so you can get a 20% lifetime commission for every person who signs up for Stan through your affiliate link. And lastly, Stan allows you to connect up to 4 different integrations. You have Google Calendar, Zoom, Zapier, and MailChimp. All of these connect directly, but you can use Zapier to connect any application that you want to Stan. So if you're looking for a highly customizable link in bio store that allows you to sell digital products from the link, then I highly recommend Stan Store for TikTok and Instagram and all the other short video platforms. And if you're planning on using Stan Store for TikTok and you want to know how to grow your account as well as monetize it, I highly recommend the $1 program called 15-Second Free Leads. It only costs $1, and it takes you step by step through building a TikTok account that's going to grow an audience as well as bring you in passive income. As you can see, some people who have taken this course have made sales just within 24 hours of putting out TikTok videos. Other people have had 308,000 views in a week after taking this course. So it's going to take you step by step through building the TikTok platform and then monetizing your audience. So if you're interested in that, I'll go ahead and leave the link to 15-Second Free Leads below inside the description. And if you want to start your 14-day free trial for Stan, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below this video inside the description. And if you want more content from me, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name's David, and I create content all about making money online and how to make money with various side hustles. So like this video, subscribe, and I will see all you guys inside of my next video.